Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Beverly from Downen Creative Studios and Epic Cosworx. And today I'm going to show you how I assemble my Hela helmet. It's very light. I made everything with TNT EVA foam. The whole thing weighs less than 3 pounds. That's right, less than 3 pounds. There's a little bit of flex in these horns, which is important because I need to be able to grasp each horn that can come off and firmly put them back on top of the helmet. And I did that using Epsilon Pro. Epsilon Pro stays fairly flexible on the EVA foam, and for this project it was absolutely perfect. I was able to put a tint into the Epsilon Pro to paint that right on top of the horns, and it not only made them black and this beautiful glossy color, but it has protected them throughout an entire con and travel back and forth to Seattle in a car. There's absolutely zero battle damage on these horns, and I am super impressed with Epsilon Pro. It's the first time I've really used it, and I can say that I will be using this again for sure. The helmet itself has 2 horns that are permanently attached up here. So the back of this helmet has some PVC pipe connectors. These all correlate to PVC pipe that I have embedded in each of the horns. I made this with 4mm EVA foam, again from TNT Cosplay Supplies, and I love their EVA foam because it's very strong and it does not tear very easily unless I really want it to tear. So it's super high quality and I love it, so you should definitely check that out. On the inside I have put a little bit of Wonderflex here. Wonderflex is a thermoplastic, and I used Wonderflex because I had some lying around that I really needed to use. It is also really strong stuff. It has a woven fiber in there. One side of the Wonderflex is super sticky, just like Warbla. The other side is a lot more fibrous, so that makes it really super strong. The stuff does not tear. I wasn't worried about any structural issues, anything. It still stays a teeny little bit flexible for my head when I get this on my head. So, oh, that's another thing. I know I talked about Epsilon Pro being flexible already, but that really helped me big time with the helmet base top, because I was able to put this on my head and have it flex a little bit so I could get it over my ears, and that was really nice. Also, the very tip of the helmet has a little point, and it's actually a drip. That was sort of a mistake, but it worked out to my benefit. But these flex a little bit, so I can get this on my forehead without scraping off my skin. So that's pretty awesome. All right, so I'm going to turn this thing around. The other thing I like about having it assembled this way instead of the other way is that I can adjust the angle of each of these horns. All right, so this one goes here.
Oh, hi.
All right, so this is a right, that goes right here. These horns have a little bit of a gap here. It's curved. That sits right along the edge of the helmet. All right, so that's... So I'm putting some considerable amount of force on this. The Epsilon Pro is helping to protect the helmet. At this point it does get a little heavy, so putting this on myself. I can't put this on by myself. So if you're making this helmet, make some friends, have them help you out. All right, 2 more pieces. This piece right here I made, this is sort of like a little cover-up piece for the back to cover up this hardware right here. And I just decided to add that because I thought it would look a little bit better. So there are some magnets. There's a magnet in here, and there are 2 magnets right here. So this just snaps right on. One more piece. This has 2 magnets right here and right here, and those just attach right there. There it is. That's about it. That's how this helmet goes together. It's really not that difficult to, if you think about the engineering portion of it, you just embed some support inside each horn and then make some room for some PVC pipe. If I were to do this again, I would allow a little bit more length inside each horn for more PVC pipe, just for strength. But it's still really light, and I can put it on pretty easily. I do need some help taking the horns off and then putting them back on if the helmet's already on me, but I can put this helmet on while it's assembled because it's so light. So anyway, I hope that really helps. I hope that helps you out if you were thinking about making this helmet. It's totally doable. If you have any questions while you're building yours, or you're wondering, you're stuck on something and you might need some help, I'm always happy to help answer your questions. So keep in touch. Definitely subscribe. There'll be lots more videos on my process in making this helmet and the Hela suit. Happy crafting, and thanks for tuning in.